In the quaint village of Maplewood, 4 children, Emma, James, Lily, and Sam, reveled in the changing seasons, each bringing its own adventure. Spring blossomed with life as Emma led her friends on expeditions to hunt for the first blooms. The meadows transformed into a palette of colors, and the air filled with the sweet scent of lilacs and jasmine. The children delighted in chasing butterflies and building tiny boats from sticks and leaves to sail in the creeks swollen with melting snow. Summer arrived with the sun perched high, casting long, lazy shadows. James, the water lover, orchestrated trips to Loch Rose. Days were well spent splashing in the cool waters, building grand sandcastles, and fishing by the rickety old pier. Evenings wound down with storytelling and marshmallows over campfires, their faces glowing in the firelight. Autumn painted the village in shades of amber and gold. Lily, with her artistic flair, guided her friends through the rustling leaves to collect acorns and pine cones for their craft projects. They enjoyed pumpkin pies that they helped bake, using pumpkins they had picked from old farmer Ted's patch. The crisp air urged them to races and games in the fading light, laughing all while beneath the sprawling branches of their favorite oak tree. Winter covered Maplewood in a blanket of pristine snow, and Sam's excitement was contagious. The 4 friends embarked on chilly adventures, building elaborate snowmen, and engaging in epic snowball fights. The thrill of sledding down steep hills left them breathless but eager for more. In the evenings, they huddled by the fireplace, sipping hot cocoa and sharing tales of the frosty outdoors. Seasons changed, but their friendship flourished through shared joys and new discoveries, making every season a memorable chapter of their childhood.